Good morning, my dear children. Take out your computer book. Page number 20. Chapter 3. Parts of Computer. So today we'll start a new chapter, Chapter 3. And what's the name of the chapter? Parts of Computer. Okay. So learning plan. CPU, the brain of computer. Computer input devices, computer output devices, UPS or battery backup. Hey friends, look at your computer. Our computer is made up of many parts. In this lesson, you will learn about different parts of a computer. Come, let's read to know about the parts of a computer. So in this lesson we'll learn about different parts of a computer. Okay, we'll learn about different parts of a computer. Before we learn about the parts of a computer, let us label our body parts with the help of the given clues. So before learning about the parts of a computer, we will first label our body parts, okay, with the help of these clues. So first we will do this work. Okay, see the arrow sign. What is this? This is our eye. So you will write here eye, EYE-I. This is ear, EAR, ear. Okay, and here this is our head, HEAD, head. Nose, NOSE, nose. Arm, ARM, arm. Hand, HAND, hand. Foot, FOOT, foot. With the help of these clues, we will do this work. Okay, see, foot, it is here, foot. Leg, LEG, leg. Okay, so you will do this work in your book only. Now come to page number 21. See, just like human body, our computer also has many parts. All the parts of a computer work together to do all the tasks. Let's learn about them. Firstly, label the parts of a computer that you have seen and learned in previous class. So see, it is said that just like our body, like our human body, a computer has also many parts. A computer also has many parts. Okay, and all the parts of a computer work together to do all the tasks. All the parts of a computer work together, okay, to do the task and all. Now see, you can see the computer here. This is our monitor, MONITOR, monitor. This is monitor. And this is our mouse, MOUSE, mouse. Okay, this is mouse. This is keyboard, KEYBOARD, keyboard. This is called keyboard. And what is this? This is a CPU. CPU. This is CPU. Okay. Now let's learn about CPU. CPU, the brain of the computer. CPU is the brain of the computer. Okay. Like we have a brain, similarly our computer also have a brain. Like we have a brain, computer also has a brain. Okay. CPU is the brain of the computer. Now see, what is the brain of the computer? If someone asks you what is the brain of the computer, you will answer CPU is the brain of the computer. Okay. CPU stands for, so the full form of CPU is C stands for central, P stands for processing, and U stands for unit. Okay. CPU stands for central processing unit. It controls the computer and its parts. It controls the computer and its parts. CPU controls the computer and its parts. It thinks for the computer. CPU, it thinks for the computer. Okay. It carries out all the direction to perform the task. It carries out all the direction to perform the task. So CPU is very important. It is the brain of our computer. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. What does the CPU do? It controls the computer and its parts. It thinks for the computer, and also it carries out all the direction to perform the task. Okay? See, if the CPU is missing, the computer will not start. Missing means if there will be no CPU, the computer will not start. Okay? Next page means we'll continue the chapter in the next class. Okay? So for today, I am teaching you only this much. Okay? Just go through this chapter and understand about this CPU, the brain of the computer. Okay? And you will learn this full form. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is the brain of our computer. Okay? So for today only this much. We will continue the chapter in the next class. Okay? So this much for today. Thank you.